Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Thank you so much for watching. Today we're going to be showing you how to make quick pickled jalapenos. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for these. We've got 2/3 of a cup of white wine vinegar. We have got 1/2 cup of water, 1/2 of an onion, 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, and 6 jalapenos. And we're going to show you what we're going to do with those. Alright, so we're going to add our onions. It's going to, see how they break up? They just fall apart in there. You don't need to dice these up because all we're going to do is we're going to boil this for, we're going to get it to boiling and then we're going to simmer it for about 10 minutes. So those onions are going to infuse that juice. So I got our vinegar right here. We're going to pour that in. The water. Our peppercorns. Our coriander. And of course our salt. Now I'm going to set this over on the flame over there. We're going to get it to boil. And while that's boiling, we're just going to slice our jalapenos. Going to go like that, thin as that. We're going to leave the seeds in. Alright, we got our jalapenos all sliced. I've got a nice jar here, bell jar. I'm going to put all of these into. Seeds and all. Now here our mixture over there boiling. So I'm going to turn that down to simmer. Alright, so we got our jalapenos in our jar. What we're going to do now is we're going to take those big chunks of onion that we've got in here, drop them right in there on top. Try not to breathe too much of this vinegar. And we just pour the rest of this liquid right in. Make sure you get all the peppercorns. And the coriander in there. Set that out of the way there. I'm going to put the lid on here because I'm going to shake it up real quick. I'm not going to put it away. I'm just going to shake it up. It is hot, so be careful. You want to get everything infused, everything covered. And I'm going to take the lid back off because we want it to cool. But this is quick pickled jalapenos. This will last up to 3 weeks in the refrigerator. After it's cooled completely, put the lid on, seal it up nice. But these can be used for all kinds of applications. Tacos, burritos, nachos. You can throw them in stir fries, whatever you want to do with it. There's many different ways of doing this. This is just a starter. You can throw a bulb of garlic in there. You can do, the hot peppers that you put on pizza in there. You can do all kinds of different things that change the flavor profile. But this is a basic, simple recipe. Thanks a lot for watching. We made quick pickled jalapeno peppers. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.